All right, you guys, so we're looking at tonight's homework. It is February the 4th. This is our additive practice. We know that additive just means a non-zero value added to our independent or our x variable in order to give us our dependent y variable. So make sure you put your name. And let's look at number 1. So we're looking for a pattern between 5 and 17, 10 and 22, 15 and 27, 20 and 32. So I think your best bet, because we know this is additive, is to see if I subtract 17 minus 5, what do I get? 22 minus 10. 27 minus 15. And I want you to try at least 3 different things before you come up with what your equation should be. Now we already know that we can mark out B and D because they have flipped their independent variable and their dependent variable, and we know we want to find what y is equal to. All right. Number 2, Matt had 5 library books. So from the very beginning, we're going to make a table, x and y. At the very, very beginning, before anything has happened, we have 5 books. He checks 1 additional book out every week without returning any books. Which equation describes the number of books he has y after x weeks? So after 1 week, he's got those 5 books plus the 1 for that week. So we have 6. After 2 weeks, we've got the 5 books plus the 2 that he's checked out over those 2 weeks. So each time we're looking at the change. From 0 to 5, we do something. From 1 to 6, we do something. We're getting from a smaller number to a larger number. So that means we're definitely not subtracting. We're going to do something positively. Think about what our additive vocabulary means, and think about what the operation is happening continuously. Because if I said 0 times 5, I'd get 0. Just a hint. The table shows the relationship between Santiago's age, S, and Veronica's age, V. So, Santiago's age is 4, Veronica's age is 8. Santiago's age is 8, Veronica's age is 12. We are moving by a certain number each time. From Santiago's age, something happens to get Veronica's age. So Veronica's age would be our dependent, and Santiago's would be our independent. Okay. Table below shows the relationship between regular prices and sale prices in a clothing shop. We've got our independent and our dependent, and we need to figure out what is happening. We're going from a larger number to a smaller number. So we need to figure out what y is equal to when it's happening to x. What's happening to x, what's happening to our regular price in order to get that dependent sales price. You could have also write S equals whatever happens to R. All right, you guys. You are going to be great. Make sure that you practice. Make sure you have all of your work shown. That means underlining and thinking and showing what's happening. Also, please put your name on it. Bye, guys.